Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about loops. In programming, there may be a situation in which you want to execute a finite set of statements several times. A loop statement that is used to execute a statement or a set of statements multiple times. So now we are going to learn about loops in detail. For loop, it executes a set of statements multiple times. And nested loop, there are one or more than one loops inside a loop. Here is flowchart. Starting point is here, start, and here is the condition. If condition is true, then loop body control will go to loop body, and after that then check the condition. If condition is true, then again repeat the loop body. Loop body consists of a set of statement or a single statement in the loop body. You can print message or you can put any other statements in loop body. So then repeat this process and check the condition. If condition is false, then the end of the loop. If condition is true, then again execute the loop body. This is the time for implementation. Simple print counting from 1 to 5. So for loop, you can create variable I inside the loop expression, and starting point is 1. So comma, and after that condition I is less than is equal to 5, because we want to print numbers from 1 to 5. And here I plus plus block of code fmt print ln value of I is comma, put I here, and you can run the program, and value of I is 1, value of I is 2, 3, 4, 5. So first of all, control is here, start of the loop, where value of I is equal to 1. 1 is less than is equal to 5, which is true. Obviously 1 is less than 5, so condition is true. Then execute the block of code and print value of I is 1, and then add 1 in it, and again execute the body, like check first I is less than or equal to 5. The value of I is now 2 because of incrementation. So 2 less than equal to 5, which is true. Then print the statement, and after that the value of I is 6 at the end of the loop, and 6 is less than equal to 5, which is false. Then our loop will be terminated, and the result is here. You can also add here expression that I is equal to I plus 1. The result will be same, because I plus plus means we are going to increment by 1, and you can add any other number, 1, 3, 5. You can also initialize two values like I and j. The value of I is 1 and the value of j is 0, and after that here also you cannot write like that I plus plus and j plus plus. I comma j is equal to I plus 1 and j plus 1. So you can print the value of j and value of I and j. Run the program, and the value of j is starting from 0, like we are going to initialize I from 0 and the value of I initialize from 1. So the value of I is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the value of j is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So by using this way you can initialize multiple variables and you can use multiple values. And what is the scope of I and j? You can use I and j inside the program, and here we cannot use the value of I and j, like println value of I is comma I, and here is the error undefined I, because we can use the value of I inside the loop body, not outside the loop body. So this is all about for loop. Thank you for watching this video.